Hello, Jan and Tarsi here. I just wanted to come back with a quick little video showing the results of the projects I made from my recent color palette mixing video. Here is the palette from the original video. And I also did make an extra brown color from the orange by mixing a little bit of my brown mud into a portion of the orange to make a secondary color, not shown in picture. So I extruded a lot of tube beads with my color palette, and this was the first necklace, which I omitted the orange and orange-brown colors from this one. It's a 65-inch long tube bead necklace that can be worn as a double or a triple, just by throwing it over your neck and twisting it. These necklace projects are just mock-ups, but you can see how well the colors go together. In this necklace, I made a two-sided focal bead. One side's white, one side's black. And I used all the colors, including the oranges, for the two beads. This is the black side. You just flip the whole necklace over and you have two necklaces. This is the neck end of the necklace, the part that goes around the back of your neck. And I always use smaller beads because it's more comfortable. This necklace uses all the colors plus gold accent beads, as well as black and white beads that I had made previous for another project. These are the colors extruded before baking. These are all my unused portions of clay. I roll them in logs loosely and press them down to my storage container so they stick. That way I can keep my palette together. But when I'm all done making projects with these, I can mix the colors all into single colors in their color groups, getting solid colors that are still usable and don't have to go in your scrap piles. I keep the black and white and mud colors separate, but everything else gets mixed into its color group. I hope you enjoyed this little follow-up video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if there's anything people would like to learn, please let me know in the comments.